The deceased was having an affair with a colleague at work, which now gives us a motive.
His son found out about it a few days ago and asked John to move out.
Which he did, moved in with the mistress.
He was at home last night to pick up some more clothes.
OK, so as far as we know, Tanisha was at home all night, yeah?
John meets his lady friend in the pub at about 8:30.
OK. And Ian?
He's at the gym.
OK, and what time did he leave?
10:30.
Same time as John heads home. John gets home, what, I don't know, it takes him about 10 minutes.
Right, that's 22:40. And where's Ian?
Girlfriend said he reached her about 1:45, hardly walked in the door when the phone rang. It was his mum. He left straight away, no explanation.
OK, so then we pick him up on La Plata Street at 22:58. That's just over halfway, so a rough guess, he'll be home 10 minutes before he calls the emergency services at 23:17.
There's a lot you can do in 10 minutes.
Maybe John was already beaten and all Ian had to do was clear up.
Well, unless we can find the murder weapon, we can't reasonably say who did it.
Which is now yours and Pulse's department, isn't it, Joe?
All information.